Good afternoon, dear traders. This is Ahmed Mamdouh, Financial Markets Analyst at FXGate. Today we are going to analyze the Euro-US dollar pair on the daily chart. As we can see that the pair is moving in a downside direction, where it hit its lowest level at 1.0956, which is actually the lowest level since May 2017. The drop in the euro came after the release of data from the euro area showing a contraction in the manufacturing sector for a 7th straight month in August. In fact, the data raised expectations that the ECB may restart its bond purchases on September 12, and some euro area governments may be forced to announce fiscal stimulus plans to boost both growth and inflation in the eurozone. The breakout of 1.1045 level triggered further losses in the euro, as we can see here, causing the pair to fall for a 6th straight session. The price may even fall further towards support located at 1.095. In markets, meanwhile, there are fears due to the escalation in the trade wars between the US and China, so the euro may suffer from further losses, while the US dollar may take advantage of haven demand. Now this point has turned into resistance, so in case of a rebound in the price, the first resistance will be located at 1.1045, then the second resistance will be located at 1.1150, which is actually located near the exponential moving average 50. Thank you, goodbye.